70% ወይ በላይ Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, mostly broke. በሌላ ዓለም ደግሞ ካያችሁት እሱ ወደ 95-98% ይደርሳል ሰው ብሮክ የሆነው ማለት ነው። but here in United States 70% በላይ ፔንሲ ያደረገው ሪሰርች ነው። you can google it. 70% Americans live paycheck to paycheck. በደንበኛ ደግሞ ካያችሁ 98%ቱ financial freedom የለውም, is slave to the system, modern day slavery. so ለምንድን ነው why is that majority fail የሚያደርገው ለምን ይመስላችኋል? የሚገምት ካለ so ትናንትና የሆነ old friend ደወለልኝ ስለሆነ ጉዳይ ልናወራ ደወለልኝና he said ኤፍሬም ዝም ብለህ ነው የምትለፋው because ይሁን ለሚመዘገበው ኤጎነ ፌል አለ ሁሉም so he's right, but to give you background, the same ግለሰብ about 10 months ago told me አሁን የማደርገው ነገር real estate ምናምን that was not going to work. So this is in 10 months we did multiple six-figure deals, over $1 million now in escrow. So to give you background ማለት ነው how people think. But of course I don't argue with it. Everybody has an opinion, and I don't waste time trying to explain why እንዳለው almost 1300 people Ephraim studio ተመዝግበዋል. most will fail. This is, I know that better than most people because all my life I was a businessman, hustler. most ብዙ ቢዝነስ ጀምሬ ፌል አድርጌያለሁ. some successful የሆኑ አሉ in the past, so I've done it 30 years, so I know የሚለው ነገር ትክክል ነው. anybody can google now 1000 ቢዝነስ ቢጀመር in አሜሪካ ከ900 በላይ ፌል ያደርጋል. so ይሄ known ነገር ነው. ግን what you will never understand or fails to understand is that ከነዚህ 1300 ሰዎች 5% which is 65 ሰው maybe even 50 ሰው let's say 2% አውርደ ነው 30 ሰው ላይፉ ቢቀየር that's huge ለኔም ለነዛ 30 ሰዎች not only that እነዚህ 30 ሰዎች not only they going to make a whole lot of money, they're going to make me rich እኔንም 30 ሰው imagine we're talking about 1300 ሰው we're talking about 30 ሰው but the average person ይሄንን comprehend ማድረግ አይችልም like this my friend ማለት instead የራሱ opinion you know ያለው which I respect. That's why we're different ሁላችን. I don't see things like that. So I'm going to continue to grow our community. አሁን 1300 ነው 10,000 ያልፋል I know eventually because what shows you is that there is a demand. People are tired. People want to change their life. They didn't know እንደዚህ አይነት option እንዳለ. They didn't know they can make money in real estate. So እና we're going to continue encourage እናደርጋቸዋለን እዚህ ኮሚኒቲ ውስጥ አሁን ከአንድ ሺዎቹ 80 መቶዎቹ they're active, they're going to change their life. ሌላዎቹንም we're going to encourage them because አለማወቅ ነው like ከባድ ስለሆነ አይደለም ስራው በጣም ቀላል ነው but the mindset is a problem. ያልተለመደ ነገር ስለሆነ these people ሁሉም እዚህ ዓለም ላይ የሚኖር ፕሮግራም ተደርጓል በቃ ፕሮግራም ያን ዲኮምፕረስ አድርጎ አን ፕሮግራም ማድረግ ከባድ ነው going to take time. የተለመደው ዝም ብሎ መማር ከዛ ስራ ማግኘት ከዛ መልፋት that's normal. አንደን ህፃን እያለ ጀምሮ what you want to be when you grow up? I want to be pilot, I want to be this and that teacher. so ከህፃንነት ጀምሮ የለመደ habit በ30 ዓመት በ45 ዓመት ከሮፍ ለማድረግ በጣም ከባድ ነው. that's why all these people struggle. 98% imagine ዞር ብላችሁ አካባቢያችሁ ተመልከቱ ወደ አሜሪካ how many of them you see having fun? I don't see anybody here. ጓደኛም የለኝም እንደዛ because everybody has to work. I'm here gym ነው ያለሁት. I spend a couple hours then go to Starbucks then go to my office while I'm doing this ስራ እየተሰራ ነው. ሰራተኛ አሉ deals come every day, so we prosper in the same system. I'm showing you community ውስጥ ለምትገቡ ለምትመዘገቡ ኤፍሬም ስቱዲዮ በነፃ ነው በነፃ another thing this guy yesterday he said ኤፍሬም በነፃ ነው ብለህ ነበር ግን it's going to cost me skip trace ማድረጊያ 10-13 cents ይፈጅብኛል automation $50 ይፈጅብኛል እና I guess እሱን ሜንሽን ማድረግ ነበር. I understand people are different. anything ስትሰራ ኮስት አለ. አሁን ስራ አለ you go to Amazon ወይም Walmart that ስራ ኮስት ያደርጋል. you have to take bus ወይ መኪና ጋዝ ይፈጃል. the same thing paid off car ቢኖርህ it's paid off but you need fuel, maybe tune up ምናምን ኤሌክትሪክ ካር ከሆነ you need to charge it, everything costs money። እንደዚህ የኛ አይነት ስራ ስትሰራ when I refer free እኔ free የምለው my time, my experience free ለእናንተ ሰጣቸዋለሁ። so you can use any automation you want። እኛ ሬከመንድ አድርገን negotiate አድርገን very cheap software go high level ሂደህ ሰብስክራይብ ላድርግ ብትል the cheapest is $100 the cheapest ምንም automation የሌለው ስናፕሻት የሌለው ራስ ክሬት ማድረግ እኛ ቢውልቲን የሆነ ኤቭሪቲንግ ያለ $50 አለ መጀመሪያ ሳምንት ፍሬ አይተህ ከዛ $50 of course you can do your own CRM that's not the point you need tools to succeed manually በወረቀት ጽፈህ you cannot do እኛ የምናደርገው you can go get your own CRM system ካለ ሶፍትዌር ሲስተም ካለ skip tracing ከኛ ምንም ነገር ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ አይጠበቅም so when I say free I'll give you my time my experience everything I'm doing now you can have it free ማለት ነው I pay እንደዚህ አይነት ነገሮች ለማግኘት recently now $10,000 pays more we ገብቼ I'm glad I paid $10,000 because everything I know now you guys getting it for free all the connection I have was private money hard money sponsors I have property ለመግዛት all this ባልከፍል ኖሮ አላገኘውም ነበር it's priceless it's the best $10,000 I spent so when I say free እንደዚህ አይነት ነገሮች የኛን ላይፍ ሎንግ ኤክስፒሪየንስ መተህ በሾርት ከት ታገኘዋለህ በነፃ ማለት ነው እንጂ doesn't cost you to make money እንደዛ የሚባል ነገር የለም go find uber ለመንዳት ኮስት ያደርጋል you have to put fuel you have to eat cost አለው for anything in life so don't think just because it's free you're going to come and just start making money በነፃ there are costs እሱ cost is part of the business ማለት ነው the only person who loses or who will never make money እኔ በማደርገው is a quitter when you quit when you give up when you have no future እንደዛ አይነት ሆነ you lose but if you sit and persist and commit I guarantee you you will make money yeah man